Kiran is saying markets are here for more than 100 years or so. Why haven't anyone has figured it out? Do you think people will do it now in the era of AI? Why do you think market was here for 100 years? Do you know when the candlestick was invented? I don't have the exact uh, timeline. Can we trust Google again for that? There was a rice trader, all right? A rice or cotton, I don't remember. Yeah, this guy, Munish Hisa Homa, whatever, rice trader. Yeah, I said rice trader. Did I say cotton? Not sure. I think I said rice. This guy, 18th century. It's not 100 years. It's more than that. And this guy is probably is the person who was documented and is credited with the discovery. Rice has been traded for so many years before that. So trading is probably the first thing any person does when he interacts with someone. Either he's trading information, whatever it is, it's always a trade. It's always a trade. These guys like this guy, this was the inventor of candlestick, is doing it for 18th century. Now there are many other ways of analysis that probably go before that or something like that. People know, believe that this Steve Nissen guy is the one who invented or candlesticks is his product. No, it's not his product. It's this guy. He was a rice trader, and I think he was famous for one thing, that he would never hide his positions. So many people believe, and even some Indian traders have commented in the past that since they shared their positions in public, higher time frame or professional traders, they are gunning for his positions of what, 100 lots, 1000 lots, what? Stupid people. This guy was the biggest rice trader people knew in those times, and he would never hide his position. He would say that, okay, I have a big position, so what? Let everyone know and let them try to disturb my position, because his analysis of market was so strong. Analysis of background conditions, context, what we all study in the CTF, it was so strong that even after disclosing his entire positions all the time, he would still come out on the winning side. AI has a very big limitation, and that is our imagination, right? AI is good in making permutations and combinations, right? But there is no serendipity in it. It's rote algorithm. I don't like it. You know, uh, just you take an example, simple, like if you're writing a book or you're writing a tweet. Yesterday I wrote a tweet. Let me show that to you. So this is the tweet I wrote. All right, yesterday. Uh, I think you did not even see this guy, no? This guy. This was the candlestick inventor. Now this is the tweet I wrote. It's a weird tweet. Forget about it. What I wrote, but this is what I felt, and it comes out naturally, right? So AI can, if you ask AI to write a tweet, what it will do? It will scour through all the tweets, and then it will come up with some clever thing. I don't think that is going to change the world. Not at all. AI is already there in the markets, by the way. People don't know, but AI is already there. Big institutions. Do you think that AI comes to us before it came to big institutions, or before it came to people who were really influential and really invented it? AI is being used in so many applications, before common public came to know about it. And it's definitely being used in markets. It's definitely there. It is manipulating the market, controlling our minds through price. All this is happening via AI only. AI is what? Like, it's an algorithm. It reads a few things and gives you some commands which controls all these financial mechanisms and all. It's very easy to control with AI. But the AI that is reaching us, that we are thinking about, is is very neutered version of AI. All right, nothing too serious to worry about yet. The real AI that is being used, which is serious, is already affecting our lives, so you don't have to worry about that. Ashwin is saying, in AI era in the stock market, despite access to historical data, charts, and other tools, predicting the next day's market behavior is near impossible due to inherent uncertainty. See, uncertainty for who? You tell me. Okay, uncertainty for who? Anyone trying to predict where the market will go has all the uncertainty in the world. Now here if I ask you, tell me where the market is going, up or down, that will immediately put you in a stressed situation, stressed state to be precise. But if I ask you, you guys tell me what is the risk of long or risk of short, can you figure it out? Now if you look at this and if you cannot figure out whether the risk of long is high or risk of short is high, you can go to this higher time frame chart. We are stuck in the middle of a range, makes sense, and you look at this HVN being respected, all right, but this high not being taken out, you can say that we are kind of stuck in a range. We have a range top where supply is expected, we have an HVN where demand is expected, neither is being broken or taken out. I don't have an assessment on risk. What happens immediately? Do you have the stress now? No, you don't have the stress. What is your decision? Wait till it breaks out. If it breaks out, you get a clear idea, then you follow your plan. Anyone trying to predict the markets is going to pay a heavy price mentally in terms of peace of mind. Anyone who is trying to assess the risk, he'll be always calm, collected. He won't worry about the markets. He'll just let the chips fall where they may, and then he will look at the risk and he will try to assess the risk and then take a position which justifies his risk assessment. What AI can do, that is the important question. How AI figures in this and how AI is being used against you. What happens when you decide to buy or sell? Okay, say someone believes that this is a strong resistance. Okay, if it is just his belief, makes no difference. But if he believes it is a strong resistance and he sells here, saying that market will not break this resistance, now he has revealed his hand. He has a sell position. AI can read this. There is a sell position. It does not know whose position it is. Whether it is mine, whether it was long and it was a profit booking here. Maybe you can look at OI figures and figure that out. But individual orders difficult to figure that out. But it is a sell position. Makes sense? And if this is a sell position, it is registered. If someone bought here, it is registered. All right. Now, if someone buys here, where is he likely to exit? Now sometimes it is very visual levels like that. Sometimes let's say there is this VWAP and they will be looking for a break of VWAP. Sometimes it is a money stop, sometimes it is a percentage stop, sometimes it is a decision which comes from within a gut feel that okay, if it starts falling like this I will exit. Sometimes it is like if it makes a 2 bar low I will get out. So if it breaks this low and then it breaks the low of the next bar, I will get out. So all these strategies for executing your trades, AI has already figured it out. It does not know whether you are going to do that, but what it knows, some people are going to sell here, some people are going to sell here, some people are going to sell here, or a majority of people will be selling here. It will look at OI figures, it will look at all other things, volumes and this and that, delivery volume, all those things, and it will figure out okay, there is X number of traders who have not yet exited till this point and they can exit if prices go below that. Where do you think the price is going to go? It is going to go that below that reference. It is going to trigger stop losses for most of these traders. It is going to put them out of their good trades. And what will happen? We trigger the stop losses, market comes lower, maybe it comes to this HVN, maybe not, it reverses before that. Then what we say, okay, it is a zone. That is our justification. But algorithm knows people are waiting to buy here. How? Because there might be pending orders. Or algorithm knows like this is where buying has happened. How? It can see. If you can tell looking at a chart, can't algorithm tell? So they may not let the prices come here, or they may take it through that zone, hit more stop losses, get more traders on board, and then the price reverses. AI can do all these things. AI is not going to predict where the market is going to go. It is only going to take stock of all the positions in the market at any given point in time. It will find out an area where most of those can be manipulated out of their positions, where the smart money can enter. They will match their orders with all these traders getting trapped out of their trades, and then the market will go up. Make sense? So this is already being done with AI. Do you think that there are now hundreds of people sitting on a computer and watching the charts? No. AI can do it very easily. But can you afford that software? Can you afford can you write that kind of code? Because a code is a living organism in now in today's age. It's not like I wrote a code and now it is fixed. No, it's never. It will evolve always. Maybe the AI is writing the code on the go. It is incorporating new things, machine learning as we call it. So all those things are happening already. Like, do you think that they're not happening? They're already happening. The point is to figure it out, like what is happening, who's getting trapped, who's getting trapped in bad position, out of a good position. And if that person is getting trapped, where is he likely to react, where is he likely to feel good about his position, book profits, where is he likely to feel bad about his position, average, or then at a very very extreme level throw his position away. If you can figure all this out, which can be easily done using market profile charts, then you have a chance. Then you can be on the good side of AI and end up profitable. Makes sense? So that is what I believe.